What's cracking, guys? Zack here at Cavalier Forchester Square, and we are in Las Vegas, Nevada, the Ford dealer meeting 2018. And behind me, I've got 2018 Rangers. This one looks pretty cool. Let's check it out. Guys, we're inside the Ranger boot camp. We've got a skin down Ranger here. I mean, framework, transmission, engine. This is really cool. Really cool setup here. I think we're holding up the line, so I'm gonna cut this short. Ranger versus Tacoma. This is Chad, Ford Motor Company, part of the Ranger design team, right?
I'm marketing manager.
Marketing manager.
Yep.
I gotcha.
How you doing? So what we're going to see here today is a demonstration of some off-road capability. So we've got a Toyota Tacoma and a Ford Ranger. Both of them are equipped with their off-road packages. The Toyota has a system called crawl control. Ranger has a system called trail control. And really what you're going to see right off the bat is here comes the Ranger. Now the Ranger, the driver is not touching the gas or the brake. He's just steering the vehicle. And what you're going to see is he's going to go up, and the trail control is going to dictate how much torque and brake to put to each wheel as it climbs this series of rock logs, or rock log overcomes. So you'll see it's a pretty refined, the system's determining, it's maintaining a 1 mile an hour speed, it's knowing when to brake, when to accelerate to get over. The second part of the demo is as the truck begins to ascend, we put a little lip on the back of the tail hitch to show you ground clearance, it does not hit. And at the top, there's some little golf balls that the Toyota successfully gets over to demonstrate brake. So those three things all go really well with the Ranger. Here's now the Ranger, so you can see it again. And then I'm going to show you the Toyota. He's currently in their version. And you can see the truck's kind of jumping, jerking back and forth. That's because the Toyota system, he again is not touching the gas or brake. That's the system controlling his braking and acceleration. And it's
almost like you guys are like set that up on purpose.
No, what the interesting thing is we actually, it looks much more dramatic going over the logs, but we had to turn it off because the Toyota system's jerking so much that it's ripping up our logs to do the demonstration. So he's turned the system off now, and he'll just accelerate by foot.
That is something else.
Like that jerking back and forth, you feel like you got whiplash in the vehicle.
Yeah.
Now watch when he goes over. You'll also notice that we put the same little lip on the back of the hitch, the same, I think it's like 3-inch drop.
It's like a small, for you guys if you can't see, it's a small bar. Right there. Yeah, right there.
You'll see it when he starts to accelerate up the hill. You'll see the departure angle just rip up along the bottom of the front here. Right about now. Alright, so that's there. And as he's crossing over, there's some balls that he's about to hit. You'll see him spinning around, jumping around. I actually don't see it. So the point we're trying to demonstrate on all of this is that system is a lot more refined in the Ranger. It's a lot more. It's both in 4 high and 4 low mode, where Toyota isn't. Only 4 low. It's a much better use cases and a much better experience overall.
I gotcha.
So that's why the Ranger's going to rock off road.
Very cool, man. Thank you, Chad.
Thanks.
Is the trail control system. So we're doing it in 4 low because the Tacoma, our competition here, has to be in 4 low for their comparable system. Ours can work in 2 high, 4 high, or 4 low.
You don't have your foot on the gas,
Nope.
or you do?
Nope.
Yeah.
All I'm doing is steering. So all I'm gonna do is pick my line and hang on to the steering wheel, and the car does all the throttle and braking.
Wow. This is unbelievable, guys.
Now
He's got
the hill.
no feet, nothing. Look at that. We're just going right on up.
And you saw the golf balls at the top of the hill?
Yep.
They're simulating like if there'd be a big rock or something that obviously you don't want to get high centered on. And then it brakes for us coming down the hill.
Unbelievable.
Now the nice thing is, now we're over that tougher element. I can override the system by just giving it some gas, and now I can just drive away. I take my foot off the gas and it goes right back to 1 mile an hour. So it doesn't ever deactivate it, it just overrides the system.
Yep.
Nice to meet you, Zach.
Zach Trees, man. Can't look
Nice to
forward.
meet you. Thanks for coming
We're
out.
gonna come out and do this Copilot 360 demo. Look at this.
All right, guys. Pre-collision assist right here with AEB, auto emergency braking, is our first course. What we're going to do is we're going to pull forward, come to a complete stop, and we're going to face this car that's parked in front of us about a couple hundred feet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get our vehicle up to about 20 miles an hour. This is the best place possible to fall in love with this technology and learn to trust it. It goes against all our natural human instincts to drive into a stopped vehicle, but it's feel kind of like a roller coaster maybe for you at first, but we're all buckled up.
Buckle.
All right, here we go.
All right. I'm gonna try and hang on, guys, to get this shot.
Get this up to 20, and then we're going to cruise into our stopped vehicle here. Audible alarm sounds.
Wow.
Brakes prime, and then the tensioners will release if you don't put your foot on there after a few seconds. You'll feel it, it'll release, and you'll actually tap the vehicle in front of you.
That was so smooth.
It's so smooth, right?
That was amazing.
You can hear the tensioners. It's doing its job. Radar and camera are working together. They're always communicating and talking with each other. So as traffic, stop and go traffic, that audible alarm was, it picked up the 2 lines for lane centering, and it released and lost them because it was too much of a turn. But normal stop and go traffic can be a headache, and you can kind of relax and just, you know, your main focus basically would be, I think that vehicle back up now.
So let me ask you now, stop and go traffic, like when you're, let's say we're in DC traffic and we're dead stop. I mean, totally no stop.
Right.
Right, and
Check this out real quick.
oh my gosh. So I mean, it's literally good. In the lane.
It's telling me right now, that audible noise, put your hands on the steering wheel, and it's telling me now. I'm going to disengage cruise so we don't rip around this corner. But what was your question again?
So my question is so when you're actually on, let's say you're in stop and go traffic, and you're like DC traffic to where you're stopped for 10 minutes, and you're playing on your phone, and you know the cars in front of you start going. Can you have this
They start honking at you because you're playing on your, So all you have to do is hit resume. It'll take back off to your, say it went back from 0 to 70, and that's what you're set at, it takes you to 70.
ST Performance Course. What is this all new Edge about? Man, it is a lot of fun to drive. Why? 2.7 liter V6 twin turbo, right? 335 horsepower, 380 foot-pounds in torque, an all new 8-speed automatic transmission.
We're ready, folks. We're in the ST experience here, Las Vegas Speedway. Zach's in the normal mode.
roll and start, and then we're gonna accelerate.
All right, now you
to
gotta see if you can
60 miles
catch
an hour.
that guy. That's the object, Zach. Catch the guy in front of you.
10 miles an hour.
0
and
to
we're going.
60. Woo! And down to 10 miles an hour. Now we're gonna, what are we doing? We're just stopping, waiting.
We're stopping, about to get around the twisty turns. First set of twisty turns are coming up, guys. This is cool. What's your name?
I'm Bert.
Bert?
Yep.
Zach, man.
Nice
You about
to
to take me
meet
in
ya.
this sweet Mustang Bullet down this lap?
Jump on in. I'll be taking you around Vegas all week.
All right, man.
All right, here we go.
Look at that.
So we're just going to run the apron here in 1 and 2 till we get to the back straightaway.
Okay.
Then we'll head up onto the high bank, but you can see it's got a lot of lateral grip, even down here on the flat part of the track.
This is what I've been waiting for here. Then we got the dueling dragon colors, red and blue. Good
Ohio State
Lord.
Buckeye Good Lord, look at this.
All these Michigan guys run an Ohio State Buckeye car out here.
This is insane.
We're gonna have a seat.
What do you think, Mark?
It's badass. Fit right?
You know what? I do. I'm like, it's made for me. This car was made for me. All right, let's roll.